Today I'm doing a service on my car. Just dump the oil and I put a new filter down in there, a new oil filter. There it is, down in there somewhere. Yep, there it is. And pretty much that's all I need to do. Check the radiator fluid and it's all good, nice and full and green. Everything else in this car's in good condition. I'm selling it, so I've been doing some cleaning this week. This is an Ecotech motor, 6-cylinder. It's a very good motor. They last for many, many miles. The last one I owned, I put 400,000 kilometers on it. So yeah, this is the car. It's been really good to me. But I'm about to let it go to a new owner. And I better keep moving because I got to get this all done before the sun goes down, because I think it is sold tomorrow. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel.